One. Hello, this is the Industrial Magnetic Waste Collecting Robot Vehicle presented by group number 25. I am now going to show the obstacle avoidance part of our autonomous bot, which detects a wall 18 centimeters away. It uses a L298N motor driver IC, which controls the motors. Over to you.
Now for the next part of my robotic arm, let me switch off the autonomous feature to present you better. So here in our robotic arm, we have a servo motor which lifts and drops the robotic arm, which has an electromagnet at the end. When the arm drops down, the electromagnet charges up, collects the magnetic waste, and then goes up and demagnetizes to drop the waste in the bin that is kept there. Let me present you this. So this is some scrap. So as you can see, it lifted up and dropped the scrap in the bin. Now as you can see, another feature is our wall protection of our arm. So if there is a wall adjacent to it, the arm doesn't drop down and sweep the magnetic waste. The next part, over to Advait.
Right, so we will now be talking about the extra credit part. So if we move back to the autonomous mode, if we move back to the autonomous mode, whenever the robot detects a wall that's 18 centimeters away, we have a light at the end which starts toggling to let the people know that the bot is turning right. Also, we have music playing, the dark way, the music for instance, to let the people know that the bot is coming.
The LEDs at the front is always on so that the bot finds its way in the darkness. The next part is that we have two modes. One is with the remote control and one is with the autonomous feature. So we have used toggle switches to switch between the two modes. So as I had just toggled it, it's right now in the RF remote control mode. The last part of our project is an advanced topic of wireless communication, where we are using some toggle switches to toggle between the two modes. I have toggled my switches here into my RF mode, and using my RF remote control, now I can move my bot and control it. So the autonomous feature is off, and now as you can see, I'm using these switches to control my bot. This goes front and this goes back.